You can customize the background in your VN by changing the wallpaper. The way to do that is to access the panel settings and then choose the logo and wallpaper setting from the menu. From here, go to wallpaper, and note that you can also do the same thing with logos as well and change the logo up there in the corner. But I want to change the wallpaper in this case, so I'm going to hit View, and that will bring up a window that will allow me to choose a picture that I can use for the background. I'm going to access the File Commander because I have a thumb drive plugged in. That's where my pictures are located. So when I hit the File Commander button, I just want to make sure that it's actually accessing the folder that I want. So I'm going to hit this File Commander button, and there's USB storage right there. I touch that, choose the folder I want. Newline Backgrounds is where I have my pictures stored, and then just choose the picture that I want. And once I've done that, it changes the wallpaper.